Williamson turn is a very good man overboard maneuver in case you have scenario where you see a person falling off board. Also good for night rescue or reduced visibility. So as soon as you see a person falling overboard, turn hard to that direction, about 60 degrees angle. Point at MOB all the time. Turning 60 degrees starboard and then 60 degrees port will definitely help you orientate yourself, especially in a nighttime or reduced visibility. In scenario with the sailing boat, we're doing a wide turn back and we want to stop between the person and the wind. So we're going to have person 90 degrees on us and wind 90 degrees on us. So that will be a beam reach position, even that we are using an engine here. And it's definitely recommendable, if you can, to remove sails and use engine only. This is when you have most of control. As soon as you can, do a VHF call, Mayday man overboard, or use DSC button on your VHF, or any other instrument that you can use for distress. You can as well use your phone. It's very important to inform not only authorities but also traffic around you, or if anybody else can assist you as well. Now it's time to slow down the boat. It's very important to do this approach very easy, so you don't have to do it all over again. Check again where is the wind coming from. As we said, you want to stop between the wind and a person. And also, as you're stopping, you want to be completely neutral. So you should start reversing soon. So we are now neutral and very soon reversing. And we want to stop that we have a person in our cockpit zone.